Hey Rockstars, welcome back to Little Astro. If this is your first time here, hi, I'm Ada Sheikh, and before we get into anything today, I just want you to slow down with me for a second. Unclench your jaw, relax your shoulders. You don't need to rush through this episode like it's another task on your to do list. This space is meant to feel like a pause. So I'm really glad you're here. Today, we are starting the Self Love Reset series. And honestly, this episode feels like the most important place to begin because we need to talk about what self love actually is and also what it is not. Because somewhere along the way, the internet took self love, ran with it, added good lightings, soft music, a morning routine, and somehow convinced us that if we just romanticize our lives hard enough, we will feel whole. And I don't know about you, but I have had days where I have done everything right: skincare, hydration, journaling, positive affirmation, and still felt like crying for absolutely no clear reasons, and have cried too. Let me give you a real life example. There are days when I wake up and think, okay, today is a self love day. I drink my water, do my skincare, I romanticize my life, I am feeling all cutesy and calm. And then someone sends me a slightly dry text. Not even rude, just dry. And suddenly I am questioning myself. Did I do something wrong? Are they mad at me? What have I done? Have I been a terrible person to them? Like, tell me why one message can undo a whole morning routine. That's when it hits that self love isn't about how aesthetic your day looks, it's about how regulated and safe you feel inside when things don't go perfectly. And that's when I agreed that clearly something wasn't adding up. Because if self love was just face mask and candles, we would all be emotionally healed by now. Like, explain to me why I can have a 10-step skincare routine and still overthink a conversation from 3 years ago to its every detail while doing it. That's not lack of self care, that's something deeper. Self love is built through habits first, it's built through self trust. And self trust is the relationship you have with yourself when things get uncomfortable. It's how you speak to yourself when you mess up, whether you abandon your needs to keep other people comfortable, whether you listen to your emotions or gaslight yourself out of them. Most of us don't struggle with self love because we are lazy or unmotivated. We struggle because somewhere along the way we learned that our needs were inconvenient. A lot of us, including me, were praised for being low maintenance, easy to deal with, emotionally strong, which sounds nice until you realize that what it actually taught us was to ignore ourselves. So now, when we try to choose ourselves, it feels wrong. It feels selfish. It feels uncomfortable. That discomfort doesn't mean you're doing something bad, it means you're doing something new. Self love is not reposting a quote from Pinterest about boundaries. Self love is actually setting one. And then sitting there feeling guilty, dramatic, and slightly evil for no reason. And not running back to explain yourself like, hey, just kidding, haha, my boundaries was just a suggestion. If that made you laugh, yeah, same. I too struggle with it at times. So, if you have been feeling like self love is hard for you, I need you to hear this clearly. There is nothing wrong with you. You didn't fail at self love. You were just taught to survive instead of living by putting yourself second or last. And survival habits don't disappear overnight. This series isn't about becoming someone new, it's about slowly unlearning the habits of living yourself. That's it. No pressure, no transformation timeline, no best version of you nonsense. Just honesty. So today, don't try to fix anything. Just notice how you speak to yourself when you ignore your needs, when you feel guilt for choosing yourself. Awareness is already self love. Thank you for spending this time with me. I will talk to you in the next episode. Until then, live your life to the fullest. Toodles!